The rope stitch uses a series of twisted chain stitches. Start from the bottom of the stitch line and make a single twisted chain. Now go in midway through the left side of the first loop and come out on the stitch line. Make another twisted chain. Again, go in midway through the left side of the second loop to come out from the stitch line and make a twisted chain. You see that the loops are stacking up, creating a rolled effect. Keeping the loops small will create a dense stitch. After working on it for some length, you will be able to appreciate the structure of the stitch that looks pretty much like a rope. This stitch looks great when worked in pearl cotton. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.